In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily adjust the text size on your profile for a more comfortable viewing experience. Whether you have difficulty reading smaller print or just prefer a larger text size for convenience, this simple process will ensure that you can navigate your profile with ease. Let's get started by guiding you through each step. First, locate the menu icon, represented by 3 horizontal lines, in the top right corner of your profile. This icon is often referred to as the hamburger menu due to its distinct appearance. By tapping on this icon, you open up a gateway to all the settings you can customize to tailor the application to your preference. Once there, scroll down and select the section labeled Settings and Privacy. This section is essential because it houses all the important settings that control the way information is displayed and managed on your profile. Next, navigate to the Accessibility option. This part of the settings is dedicated to making your experience more user-friendly and accommodating, regardless of your individual needs. Accessibility settings are incredibly useful for enhancing your ability to interact with content, and they ensure that your user experience is as smooth as possible. Within the Accessibility section, you'll find a Text Size option. Here, you have the power to modify the size of the text for more comfortable reading. To do this, simply tap on Text Size, and you'll see a slider appear on your screen. This slider is your tool for adjustment. By moving the slider to the right, you'll increase the size of the text. Notice how, as you slide it further to the right, the text enlarges. Adjust it to a size that's most readable and convenient for you. It's important to find a balance that's neither too small to read comfortably nor too large to navigate efficiently on your screen. After you've found the perfect size that suits your preference, the next crucial step is to ensure you save these changes. Tap Adjust to save your modifications. This step ensures that the new text size is applied across your profile, solidifying the changes you've made so they remain consistent each time you access the app. And there you have it, just a few simple steps to adjust the text size on your profile. Now, you can enjoy a more personalized and accessible viewing experience. I hope you found these instructions clear and easy to follow. Remember, taking the time to customize these settings enhances not only the functionality of your profile, but also improves your overall interaction with the app. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to check back for more helpful tutorials.